2007, ZIQI Compressor was established in Shanghai, China. From the birth of the first GA screw compressor to leading the world in oil-free compressor technology, we have been rooted in advanced precision technology. After countless improvements and innovations, we have forged an energy-saving core that attracts industry attention, injecting the world with surging green energy. What is ZIQI? What is its cornerstone? Rooted in the R&D center in Shanghai and standing tall as the backbone of intelligent manufacturing in Jiangxi, it owns a 1,600 square meter office R&D space and a 15,600 square meter industrial intelligent manufacturing base. From manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing, ZIQI curves its growth reigns with innovation. Completing the seamless one-stop cycle for air compressor R&D, design, production, sales, and service. So, where are the boundaries of innovation? From revolutionary changes in generation after generation core products to the super pipeline of energy consumption reduction, ZIQI has established itself as an industry-leading brand with a systematic product portfolio. Here, we have made repeated technological breakthroughs to redefine the boundaries of energy efficiency, from product applications in various industries to the trust of more than 100 countries across 5 continents. We build global responsiveness with professional teams. Let the world see the Chinese solutions. The progress of technological civilization stems from countless efforts, but it never stops at being better. From saving energy for the world to empowering zero carbon, we use the spark of continuous innovation to light the star trail of green civilization, letting compressed space-time bloom with infinite possibilities. With technology as the foundation and ingenuity as the ink, in this fast-developing tide of change, we write the green answer sheet of the era.